So we have another great addition to our camping gear. This is the Stoke Voltaics Joule electric kettle. It has 3 different operating modes: drink, eat, and pop. And we just tested the drink mode and it boiled super quick, 2 cups of water in 5 minutes. The lid here comes with a strainer. You can use this to drink, and if you're making popcorn, it comes with a stick to stir. Just plug it into a 120 volt outlet. Okay, so in the back of the Rivian here, we have a outlet that goes up to 1500 volts, and this only takes 500, so easily can handle boiling something in here. If you have a Jackery, you can use that as well to power this bad boy up, or if you're at home or just have a normal outlet at home, that works just as fine. So again, there's a drink, eat, and pop mode where we plan on testing all of them. Drink mode works great and it's easy to use. Nice little appetizer for us here. Here. We have here 1 pot instant mashed potatoes, perfect camping meal here in the Joule electric kettle by Stoke Voltaics. We added cheese and sour cream, green onions, and bacon. We even did the bacon in this electric kettle. Totally approved. Totally approved. Thank you, Stoke, for sending us this Joule electric kettle. It's a perfect 1-pot solution for your eat, drink, and pop at the campgrounds. It works really well with our Rivian, and as you can tell, the baby can't get enough of it. Hot stuff, Nana. Out. Okay.
I'm gonna pop.
You guys want popcorn?